it's me, Jody Hand, Mrs. Hand Painted, and sorry I haven't made a video for a little over a week here. I've been busy doing some actual real painting of my walls in my bedroom. So last weekend we spent the entire weekend remodeling our bedroom, so I didn't get to do a lot of watercolor painting. So I'm back today with a great little video to start out the fall season that's coming up. We can make this really simple pumpkin greeting card, and you can even do this with kids. It's so easy. So why don't you guys gather up your painting supplies and paint along with me.
Okay, so before I begin the video of the painting process, I just want to go over my supplies really quick because I don't have enough time at the beginning of the video to go over it, but I'm using a Princeton Velvetouch size 1 for my lettering, a Princeton Neptune round size 8 for all of my other painting. These are Strathmore watercolor greeting cards, and I'm using the Prima Art Philosophy Watercolor Confections, the Terrain palette. So I used a water-soluble graphite pencil and I just wrote in cursive my sentiment there just as a placeholder. And I'm going to go ahead and start out by just getting right into these pumpkins here. I'm going to use that color Maple, that orangey color that's right in the middle of that second row, and just get a bunch mixed up on your palette here. And we're just going to make some little swirls. So you can kind of just you can pick up your brush and leave some blank spaces and do different thicknesses, just apply different pressure and just make a bunch of swirls in a circle shape. And then I'm going to make another one right next to it that's a little bit smaller, and maybe make one that's kind of medium size here right next to it. And just pick up your brush and add some more swirls. Just doing this super fast, and it's going to be a really cute card. And then I am going to go ahead and get that color. It's like vine leaf, I believe is what it was called. It's that kind of third green one there. And mix up a little bit of that, and I'll make some little stems and a simple leaf. So just light pressure to heavy pressure to make those simple leaves. And I'm just still using that round size 8 brush, and just make some little leaves off the top of them. And now I'm going to get some water on my brush and move that out of the way so I don't splatter it. And we're just going to tap on our brush to make the splatters across it. And I'm going to use the 3 colors I'm doing in my card, which is the orange, the green, and then I'm doing that purple plum color for my lettering. So I'm going to do some splatters of that as well. And if you want to wait until the end to do your splatters after you do your lettering, that might have been a good idea, because I realized after the fact that I kind of bled into some of the splatters there a little bit when I was doing my lettering. So I'm switching over to the round size 1. I'm just going to go over my lettering here. And if you watch any of my other tutorials, you know that I have a little hack if you're not really great fan of your handwriting, or if you have trouble with brush lettering, you can print off a computer font and trace that with a light box or your sunny window with a pencil, and then go over it with your paint. Or if you want to use some brush pens instead, like Tombow pens, the dual brush pens are really good for doing lettering like this. Or you can just completely omit the lettering if you don't want that and just want to do a bunch of big pumpkins on the front of your card. But this is so easy. All you got to do is make those swirly circles, add some leaves, add some paint splatter, and anyone can do this. Even your kids can paint these along with you, and you can do a whole set of cards here. And here is our new little kitten Bandit trying to make a little cameo off to the side, so I'm holding him away. He keeps trying to drink my paint water, so I can no longer leave jars of water out on my desk when I'm not sitting there. But here, I'm just going to go over that with my round size 1 for my lettering. And if you are satisfied with your amount of splatters, go ahead and just leave it just like that. So it's ready to be dried and folded in half. And there goes Bandit. I'm getting him out of the way. He's only 8 weeks old, so we just got him last week. All right, guys, I hope you had fun painting along with me. I'll try to do a couple more fall cards. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so that you can catch all the latest videos. I've got a lot of exciting things planned for the fall and the winter seasons. So thanks for painting with me. Have a great day, guys.